Holo Holo me ta'ite o nā kanaka maoli. Adventure with the wisdom of the native Hawaiians. Alakai tau keiti I ta lā alapono. Te o'o ae oia ale oia e ha'alele ana. Direct your child on the right path, and when he is older he will not leave it. He wa'a he motu he wa'a. The canoe is an island. The island is a canoe. Imi te ola me te aloha ma te poe. Ta aina a me ta tai. Seek life and love through the native Hawaiian people, land and sea.
And then yet you'll find Hawaii. Could you just imagine if they came back and saw traffic lights and railroad tracks? How would they feel about this modern city life? Tears would come from each other's eyes, and they would start to realize that our land is in great, great danger now. All the fighting that the king had done to conquer all these islands, now there's condominiums. How would he feel if he saw Hawaii?
Holo Holo explorers and extended ohana. My name is Analani and I'm here to introduce the Holo Holo Pono Pledge.
An oath to ensure you have a most awesome time. With your kukua, you will aid in preserving Hawaii's natural beauty, unique history, and rich resources while keeping you and your precious loved ones safe so you can have the most enjoyable and memorable time on Kauai.
Please pledge to be a conscious steward of the ocean by not littering, packing your trash and kokua, by picking it up and finding its correct home.
Beautiful Kauai, island of love, you had me at aloha. Will you join me in making a special place in your heart for my island home Kauai and malama her by taking the Holo Holo Pono Pledge